Hey guys, good morning. This is Saurabh. It's a very nice Monday morning here in India. It's getting close to 8 a.m. in the morning, and today is a public holiday here. So I'm not going to work today. I'm going to just relax and enjoy and get on with my business related stuff today. So, what I wanted to share today is what is my daily routine and how do I manage my online business along with my full time day job. Yes, I've got a full time day job and I have to manage my online business along with that. So, there are a few tips which I'm going to give to you if you are if you also have a day job and you don't know how to spend time for your online business. So please make sure that you stay towards the end as I'll be giving you a lot many information. And if you're watching it live, then say thumbs up, and if you're watching a replay of this video, please type hashtag replay so that I get to know you. And during the video, if you have any question, you can let me know and I'll be able to answer it later on. So my day, what my usual day looks like. I wake up every day. I wake up at 5:50 a.m. in the morning, and that's the thing, guys. If you have got a day job and you are into online business, then you have to wake up early in your day so that you get some extra hours to work on yourself, work on your business before you get into your daily grind of your day job. So I wake up at 5:50 a.m. every day, and the very first thing which I do once I get up from the bed is I drink 1 glass of warm water. That helps, guys. That is good for digestion purpose. So as soon as you get up, have 1 glass of warm water, and you can feel the difference in a few days. And after that, I am into gym by 6:15 or maximum by 6:20 in the morning. Yes, I go to gym. I try to go to gym 4 days a week, and I go for a run 3 days a week. So that's the routine which I'm trying to follow for quite some time, and I've been following it religiously for the last 1 month. So on Monday, Wednesday, Friday and Saturday I go to gym, and on Tuesdays, Thursdays and Sundays I go for a run. So yesterday I did a 10 kilometer run, just a casual run, and I also tend to participate in marathons from time to time. So anyways, that's about that. So then from 6:20 till 7:30 or 7:45 I stay in the gym. I do weight training, and that is very important, guys. You have to do some kind of physical activity. You just if you've got a day job where you have to sit all day, you have to do then physical activity is very important, be it walking, running, gym. So I make it a point to do some kind of physical activity right in the morning. So then once I'm back from gym, then I do my breakfast, a light breakfast which I do, some boiled eggs, tea without sugar, and some brown bread. That's what I do. And along with that, I get a window of 1 hour before I head to work. So during that 1 hour, I try to watch motivational videos. I try to read some books which I'm reading. I'll show you what all books I'm reading currently. I'm reading this Expert Secrets, and I'm also reading .com Secrets. So I make it a point to cover a few pages of these books in the morning, and I also watch some motivational videos on YouTube, or if I have to catch up on some training videos, then I do it in that 1 hour. And then by 9:15 in the morning I'm off to work, and it takes me around 1.5 hours to reach to work from my home. So again, I have to use that window of opportunity. That's my traveling time. I use cabs, so I don't drive, so I have time to work on the business during that traveling time. So what I do, again, if I have to catch up on any training, I do that during my commute time. And if I have to reach out to people on Facebook, if I have to write something, if I've got some idea about any blog or anything, any topic for a video purpose, then I write it down during that time. I just write it on my phone in the notes app, the built-in notes app. I don't use any special app for that. So I just write it down, just go through the training, and then by 11 o'clock I'm at work, and from that time till 8 in the evening I don't get much opportunity to work on the business. I just concentrate on my day job during that time. But in lunchtime, whenever if I have to do it, then yeah, again I watch some training or just catch up on some YouTube videos. And from time to time, if I get some ideas in my head, then I just make it a point to just keep noting down in my phone in the notes app. So just note down the ideas, and that's pretty much I do till 8 o'clock. And then from 8 o'clock again the commute back to home, which is again like 1 hour 15 minutes at that time. So again I use that window of opportunity to work on the things. I see what all things I have accomplished, what all pending tasks which I have to do. Again, if I've got some ideas about any blog posts, Facebook posts, YouTube videos, Facebook lives, I just note it down on the phone, just catch up on trainings, the trainings which I have missed. So that is what I do. And once I'm back home, I had my dinner, I'd spend time with my family, just watch an episode of a TV show, whichever those guys are watching. So then by around 10:30, it's 10:30, 11, it's time to hit the bed. And then again I put 1 hour of work for my online business. If I have to shoot a video, I do that at that time. If I have to finalize the blog post which I wrote it down in the morning in my notes, then I finalize it that time. And then I also make the to-do list for the next day, which is very important. I should be aware like what I have to do, what I have to accomplish the next day. So that keeps me going. I don't have to think like what all I have to do today, what needs to be done, because I already have it planned. And so that is what I do. And most of the work which I do for my online business is over the weekends. If I have to record videos, most of the videos I just record them in bulk, like 7 to 8 videos on Saturday, and then I just schedule them. I just keep on editing them, schedule them. If I have to write a blog post, if I have to create a sales funnel, that's what I do over the weekends. So guys, that is how I take time out for my online business along with my day job. You have to keep in mind that you will not get a lot of opportunity during your day. So whatever small windows of opportunity you're going to get to put some work for your online business, you have to use those windows of opportunity and make best use of it. And as I told you, that is during commuting, during lunchtime. So make sure you use those windows of opportunity wisely, so that that is going to benefit you. And so guys, that is all about this video. And I want to tell you that this is the first video of my 21-day Facebook Live video challenge which I have taken. So you will see this face every day, and that is what my intention is. And yes, I'm going to do it. So guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope you have a good day. Any questions, do let me know, and I'll see you again soon. Bye bye.